How to change Netflix password. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change Netflix password. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Netflix application and make sure you are signed in. And now go ahead and choose your profile. You will be led to the homepage of Netflix. Here, tap on the My Netflix option on the bottom right of your screen. You will then see three lines on the top right of your screen. Tap on that. Here, tap on the account option and you will be led to your account page from where you can make further changes to your account. Now scroll down and under Security and Privacy, you will see the option for Manage Access and Devices. Tap on that. In this interface right here, you will be able to see all the devices you have logged into using this account. You will also see the option for change your password. Tap on that. You will then be asked to firstly enter your current password and now go ahead and enter your new password twice. Make sure the password must be anywhere between 6 to 60 characters. Also, if you want to sign out of all devices, then tap on the sign out of all devices checkbox you see there. Now finally tap on the save button and with this your Netflix password will be changed. So this is how you can change your Netflix password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.